Hey everyone, I have some happy mail from Kristie Bittleson. I'm almost scared to open it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway because she says, I know you'll get a kick out of it. I've already untaped it. And Kristie and I kind of have the same sense of humor, so I'm a little bit leery. If it turns out to be something they can't show, I won't post this video. How does that work? Okay, no, she wouldn't do that to me. But I want to show you this paper clip she made. I mean, clothespin. Isn't it the coolest thing? It has washi tape and some kind of sealant over it, I believe. But isn't that just the coolest? She is so creative. I'm almost ashamed to admit I never thought of this, Kristie. So I got that. And then I got one of these. I love these people. Be you, the world will adjust. Well, they're just going to have to. And this says glue. G-L-O-O, which is how Kristie says glue book. So I'm hoping it is a glue stick because I love the size of it. I guess I should never say I hope something is something, because if it turns out not to be that, then I look like a horse's butt. Okay, I'm going to look like a fool anyway because I can't open the stupid thing. What is it? How do you open it? Oh, cool beans. It is a square glue stick. Wow. I like it. I like it a lot. I can't wait to use it. Super cool. Of course, dummy me's trying to take off the end and turn it up on. Okay, guys. Oh, she sent me some washi tape. Neat washi tape. I haven't seen these before. I like them. They'll go in my creative journaling. I don't know why I'm holding my breath opening this. I love this tissue paper. She finds the best tissue paper. So, then it was taped up pretty good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is one of Kristie's little journals. Kristie, you didn't have to do this, but I love it. Look, it's got one of her little cat charms on it. And it has one of the kicking horse coffee. Now, I'm going to pretend I don't see this as smart-ass medium, because it has to be referring to Kristie, because I would be smart-ass extra strong. I love it, Kristie. And yeah, I do get a kick out of it. But I'm sure you're referring to yourself because it's medium. And it has, oh, looky here. It has some of her little notebooks that she paints on inside. And look at this. How clever. Kristie's just so good. I mean, guys, y'all got to check out her Etsy shop and pick up some of her journals because they are good stuff. I mean, they hold up. They hold up good. I had one in my purse, and my doctor asked me about it, actually, because I took it out to write down something she told me to buy, and it was just one of the little small ones she makes. So I hope she has gone to her Etsy shop, because I did refer her there. But yeah, I mean, woo, she does good work. She really does good work. Thank you so much, Kristie. I love it. Wake up and kick ass. That's the sound of good coffee. Deep, dark, and delicious coffee. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it is perfect for me. You're right. I do get a kick out of it. And it always makes me think of you being a medium smartass. That's all right, honey. When you're my age, you'll be super, super strong. I'm sure of it. I have no doubt of it. Anyway, thank you. And I love it. So guys, check out METTA Studios on Etsy. Buy some of her stuff. It's all good. You can't go wrong with any of it. I have bought journals. I have bought little notebooks. I have bought some of her dot painting. A lot of her dot painting, actually. And I still can't figure out how she does it. So, I'll leave that to her. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it, Kristie. And I always think of you. Bye.